Defenders of the sky delivered precision airstrikes across parts of Borno State as fighter aircraft conducted coordinated bombardments on identified terrorist targets. On the ground, troops of the Joint Task Force Northeast Operation Hadin Kai advanced with precision, supported by close air support and reinforcements at critical contact points. Terrorist elements attempting to regroup were overwhelmed and forced into disorganized retreats with heavy losses. Expanding the offensive, troops of Sector 2 under Operation Desert Sanity 5, acting on weeks of intelligence, supported by satellite imagery and ISR platforms, launched a precision operation in the early hours of February 22, 2026, around Lamunshiri village in Gujba local government area, a known terrorist launch pad and logistics hub. Despite coming under fire, troops working with the civilian Joint Task Force outflanked the terrorists and blocked their withdrawal route. During the exploitation, 15 terrorists were neutralized, while scores fled with gunshot wounds. Defensive and life support structures were destroyed. 5 terrorist tricycles and 2 vehicles were set ablaze, and a cache of arms, ammunition, bandoliers and camel pouches were recovered. At about 12:56 hours, terrorists attempted to infiltrate the forward operating base Limankara. Alert troops engaged them in a fierce firefight, reinforced by the air component. The attackers fled through the burial ground access. There were no casualties or equipment losses among own troops, while human intelligence confirmed several terrorist casualties. In a related incident, at about 11:20 hours, terrorists mounted on gun trucks and motorcycles with additional fighters on foot, launched a multi-pronged attack on troops in Kukawa from the Algano and Jemu axes. Troops engaged the attackers in intense fighting that continued into the early hours of February 21, 2026. Overpowered by superior firepower and coordinated air support from the Nigerian Air Force, the terrorists withdrew, dragging away casualties. Air platforms destroyed 1 terrorist gun truck, killing 4 fighters on board. Persistent surveillance later tracked fleeing terrorists on 5 motorcycles to a convergence point where a precision strike destroyed the motorcycles and neutralized 10 additional fighters. Subsequent exploitation led to the recovery of 13 AK-47 rifles, 16 loaded AK-47 magazines, 3 handheld radios, terrorist stretchers, as well as shallow graves and blood trails. 1 gallant soldier paid the supreme price, and some combat enablers were destroyed by rocket fire. Wounded personnel were evacuated by Nigerian Army aviation helicopters and are reported to be in stable condition. Ihoto Odo, Arise News.